Hello and welcome to this Linked POS training video. In this video, we're going to be talking about managing weighted items in Linked POS. There are many businesses, especially retail stores, that sell weighted items. Those items can include vegetables, fruits, and grains such as beans. Customers usually buy these items in terms of weight. Linked POS makes the management of selling weighted items extremely simple. To start off processing weighted items in Linked POS, you need to first enable the feature. To enable the feature, head on over to the Help menu in the main menu bar. In the drop-down that appears, click on the Settings option. Here, head on over to the Barcodes tab. This is a section where barcodes can be managed. Check the box beside Enable Weighing Scale Barcodes. This will enable the feature in Linked POS that allows you to manage weighted items. Now let's start off with the barcode specifics. A weighted item barcode is normally divided into three main parts: the identifier, the item code, and the weighted price. The last section can be configured to contain the quantity. This means that instead of containing the weighted price of the item, it will contain the quantity. The identifier is normally a single-digit number that is used by Linked POS to identify a barcode as the barcode of a weighted item. The item code is the number used to identify the item itself. And finally, the weighted price is the price generated based on the item's weight. This can also be the quantity of the item depending on the configuration. Start off by entering the prefix. Next up is the item code length. This is going to be the length of your item code, which in this case is going to be 6. In the next field, you can choose whether the third part of the barcode contains the price or the quantity. Next, enter the starting point of your price. To determine the starting point of the price, let's take a look at the barcode. Start counting from the beginning and see how many digits you get until you get to the end of the item code. To determine the starting point, just add 1 to the number you get. Next up is the digits after the decimals in the price field. Since we've chosen the third part of the barcode to include the price, this field can be used to enter the number of digits after the decimal in price. Let's say we set this value to 5. In the barcode, this will mean that there are 5 digits after the decimal in the price section. The next two checkbox fields are related. These can be used to enable or disable leading and trailing zeros in the barcode in the terminal. I'm going to enable the Remove Leading Zeros checkbox. This will remove any leading zeros there may be in the item code. Finally, we have the Validation checkbox. This is the last digit in the barcode and is computed using a formula to ensure that no data loss has taken place. A very powerful feature offered by Linked POS is this barcode tester. This opens up the window where you can type, scan, or paste the barcode. It shows you what the barcode will look like at runtime. You can also use it to tweak and check your settings. Let's start. I'm going to have the items page open in the background. Let's take this item for example. I have a barcode and a barcode scanner attached to my machine. When I scan the barcode, you can see the item get recognized by Linked POS. Now if you look at the item code, you can see that it indeed is the item code in the list. As for the price, we set the number of digits after the decimal to 2. You can see that it indeed is 2. 360.23. Once you're done tweaking your settings, hit save and your settings will be saved. Linked POS will need to restart, and once you come back, you'll see your settings applied. We hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below.